and start to bounce a little bit. And just allow your breath to emerge. So it's as if you're relaxing your diaphragm. So you're just letting the sound emerge, kind of like a letting the sound vibrate and emerge. And it doesn't matter how it sounds. It might sound deep and howling. It might sound strained. However it wants to come out, just let it come out, okay? And if your sound feels to get more powerful, just let it so just letting your exhalations be strong as you release, letting your movements just reflect your exhalations, okay? Whatever you're holding on to, just let it loosen its grip on you a little bit, okay?